Kaltura is a suite of tools for online education that includes virtual classrooms, lecture capture, and learning management software. Using an auto tracking camera with Kaltura is a huge benefit for educational organizations who want to optimize their video capture workflow and turn their classrooms into seamless learning spaces that are video enabled. The HuddleCamHD SimplTrack Lite is an auto tracking camera that can automatically follow presenters at the front of a classroom from up to 55 feet away using a 20x optical zoom lens. The SimplTrack Lite can easily be used with Kaltura's lecture capture software, virtual classrooms, and the entire learning management system environment. The HuddleCamHD SimplTrack Lite makes it easier than ever to deliver high-quality conferences or lectures with no camera operator or expertise required. If you're a teacher using Kaltura, you may have some students joining your class online using a virtual classroom. When you open up your virtual classroom on any Mac or PC computer in a web browser, you can easily select the SimplTrack Lite as your camera source when you first launch. The SimplTrack Lite can be connected to any computer via USB, or for longer cable runs, an SDI cable can be used with an SDI to USB capture card device. This makes it easy to connect video directly to the instructor's laptop and works seamlessly with Kaltura's virtual classroom. Kaltura's complete LMS system also features a personal capture tool teachers can use to launch a webcast or capture a lecture with or without a live class in session. Kaltura's personal capture tool is browser-based, so you can easily connect the SimplTrack Lite with USB or a USB capture card to provide high-quality videos without the need to have a camera operator. Another popular option for lecture capture with Kaltura is a dedicated solution like the Epiphan Pearl Mini. The Epiphan Pearl Mini can integrate directly with Kaltura's learning management system so that teachers can simply walk into a class a few minutes early, see a countdown timer, and know their videos will automatically upload without any additional effort. You can request an online auto-tracking camera demo by emailing partners@HuddleCamHD.com. Whatever your lecture capture and video recording requirements are, HuddleCamHD can help.